So here's the 1862 8 riel coin we found. It's already been cleaned a couple times. So this is, I'm gonna do another cleaning, this time with baking soda, Arm & Hammer toothpaste. So this is the before. I'm using this whitening toothpaste. And just a little dab on my finger, just like that. It's kind of tough with one hand while you're filming, but oh boy, it's taking some crap off of there for real. Look at that. Yeah, look at the dirt coming off. I'm just rubbing real lightly. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Whoa. That is shiny. Wow. That really works good. Let me put it in the same lighting over here too. And then this is the after just that light rubbing I did. Same lighting. So we can see the difference. I think that did a really fine job. I hardly even rubbed it with a lot of pressure. Nice. Okay, so here's the same coin that I just cleaned up, and this is a purity test that I read online at the treasure hunting site. Basically, the one guy said, just balance the coin on your finger and hit it with a piece of metal, and if it rings like a bell, it's pure silver. Well, not pure, but it's silver. Ready? Okay, one more. Hear that ping? That's nice. Yep. Look at that baby. 1862. Found it in the dirt. Cleans up nice. From the lost Confederate treasury. Found on the Great Gold Wagon train robbery site. And the robbers took the freaking gold. They left the silver. Who wouldn't, right? And this was one of several coins that we found in July of 2020.